Are you a developer tired of digging through endless lines of code, hunting for bugs and vulnerabilities manually? What if you had a smart AI assistant that could scan, audit, and explain your code in seconds? Well, let me introduce you to CodeSpy.ai, the AI-powered code reviewer that's changing the game for developers around the world. In this video, I'll show you how CodeSpy.ai can analyze your code, detect vulnerabilities, and even provide smart code suggestions, all powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool might just become your new coding sidekick. CodeSpy.ai is an advanced code analysis platform built to help developers write cleaner, more secure code. It uses AI to automatically audit your code, detect bugs, suggest improvements, and even explain code in plain English, making it perfect for learning and debugging. Head over to CodeSpy.ai. The link is also available in the video description below. Click on Log In and sign up using your email. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard. From here, you can easily create a new project and upload your code for deep AI analysis. Now let's talk about what makes CodeSpy stand out from the crowd. It doesn't just look for exact matches. It detects logical similarities, even in AI-generated or modified code. Whether you're coding in Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript, CodeSpy's got your back. Upload multiple files in one go and export professional detailed reports. Your code stays safe, private, and fully protected. No compromises. I asked ChatGPT to generate a Java program, a simple library online food ordering system using object-oriented programming. I uploaded it to CodeSpy, and the result? A stunning 98% similarity detected. Even though the code wasn't copied, CodeSpy instantly recognized the logic and structure. In the report, red highlights show potentially AI-generated or reused code, while black text indicates original content. Then, I repeated the process with the same program written in Python. Uploaded it, and once again, 98% similarity, that's right. CodeSpy can even detect logical similarities across different programming languages. Impressive, isn't it? So if you want to boost your coding efficiency, learn faster, and avoid critical bugs, definitely give CodeSpy.ai a try. I've dropped the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tools and dev tips every week.